Hello friends on India TV Forum, this is Atif and today we have with us someone who rules the heart of millions and who lately made us realize that हमारी सबकी बहना सही में हज़ारों में एक है और मेरी नहीं है क्योंकि मेरी बहना ही नहीं है और yes, you guessed it right, today we have the gorgeous Crystal D'Souza that is जीविका of एक हज़ारों में मेरी बहना है. Hello Crystal.
Hi. Thank you, ma'am, for being with us today. So, firstly, I'm going to ask you that since Christmas is just round the corner, let us just talk about the festive first. So, how do you celebrate your Christmas?
Usually on 24th night, there's a midnight mass that happens here. So I go to church 24th night. That is, I wish Jesus happy birthday. The meaning of Christmas. I wish Jesus happy birthday. We cut a cake at church, and then I go back home. I go to sleep. I get up in the morning. I spend the whole day with my family. I go out for lunch. I go out for dinner with them. But this year that's not going to be possible because of Behna. But I'm happy. It's okay. I'm working on Christmas, which is an auspicious day. So I'll take it that way. Positively.
Oh, that's good. So, any special plan this year?
Special plan is not for Christmas, it's for New Year's. I have finally fought and got 3 days holiday, 30th, 31st, 1st. So I'm in Goa for New Year's.
You are so lucky. I'm dying to go to Goa.
I am in Goa for New Year's. I fought from the past 6 months. I said 30th, 31st, 1st, 30th, 31st, 1st.
Okay. So,
Are you a believer in Santa?
Oh yes, I am. There's a socks outside my...
Okay, so you hang stockings.
Yes, I do. Not 1, 5 or 6.
do you go to midnight masses? Like, do you
Yes, I
attend
do.
them?
Every 24th of every December, every year I've always gone as a child and I will still go this year. I'll run away from shoot.
So your favorite all-time Christmas carol,
Christmas Carol, this may sound...
and you have to sing a few verses for us.
Hi.
You can actually do that.
I really love Jingle Bell. That's all I know also.
Okay, so let's sing.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Santa Claus is coming around, riding on his sleigh.
Okay.
Jingle bell, jingle
Okay, so any special, any new Year resolution?
work less, party more.
Okay, so first segment is over. Our next segment is like very special. The fans, your fans love you so much, and they have some questions and some messages for you.
Oh my
So,
God,
so firstly, please accept this on behalf of India TV Forum. And this is made by a fan called Manal. She's from Dubai actually, and she doesn't speak Hindi. She learned specially to watch our shows.
Wow.
And any message for her?
Thank you so much, Manal, and watch my show regularly. I don't get about the other shows, but watch my show regularly and please love me. And this is very, very, very pretty. It's like, thank you.
Yeah. And next message is by Mishi Khan. She's like,
Oh, Mishi Khan, I've got all your messages.
okay. She's like, hi, I'm Mishi Khan. I'm a girl, but I've fallen for you.
I know, I've read.
Crush on you.
I've read this.
I adore you, and I'm crazy about you. And India TV Forum, I love you for this opportunity. Thank you very much. And her
Mishi,
questions
your message has reached me. I hope you're happy.
Okay, her questions are your favorite scene with Karan.
I will have to say the dupatta scene that I went twirling on top. The first scene that me and Karan did. We didn't even know each other, and that was the first time that we met. And I think that was the best scene. I mean, it was very serene. I really loved it.
Was quite comfortable.
The first day you're never comfortable with anybody, but I think that awkwardness is what worked. Because in the show, that was the first day that we met. So the awkwardness worked.
Okay, and your favorite character in Ek Hazar Mein Meri Behna?
My favorite character will be undoubtedly Mandi, because she's the most bubbliest person, the most stupid, funny, ridiculous person. So I think she's the character I love. I would love to be Manvi, play Manvi, because she's too bubbly and she's just how I am in real life.
And next is by the ID called Sara Virikal. Her messages: I adore you so much. You're amazing off screen, so humble, sweet, and adorable. And amazing on screen as on screen as Jivika. And I adore your chemistry with Karan. Love you.
So sweet. Virika.
And her questions are: Who did you get your beautiful grey eyes from, your mom or your dad?
Well, this is funny. None of them have grey eyes. Both of them have brown eyes. But my great grandmom has the same eyes, and she looked ditto. I mean, I am just a replica of my great grandmom, so I am just her.
And your favorite, your most memorable off-screen movie?
Memorable off-screen moment, I think I should say, I'm going to say off-screen moment is, I mean, we had so many moments in Rishikesh that I cannot name one.
Prank you remember?
Prank that I remember, not really. I mean, all of the pranks were played on me, so I don't want to remember.
And the most recent thing a fan did for you that you love?
I think there was one fan that came on the set. Anyhow, I mean, he found out where the set was and he got me these Christmas tree, and in one of the interviews I said I wasn't going to be able to make a Christmas tree and wasn't going to be able to celebrate Christmas. So he got trees and decorations and all that, and I sat with him and I made the tree and I gifted it back to him. That was really sweet. I mean, because he saw it in an interview, he actually felt bad for me.
Okay, next is by Pavel. His message is, you are a very natural actor, love your smile and love the way you portray whatever you play so brilliantly. And whether it is the protagonist of Kinjal in Kahe Na Kahe or Jeevika in Ek Hazar Rupees, or the slightly snobbish and grey Veera of Kis Desh Mein, or even Yami or Mahar, you simply wrong and live your character.
That's the problem with me. When I get into a character, I actually get like really into it. Like when I play Yamini, I was actually felt like a detective. When I played, I mean, I'm telling you, when I played Veera, I actually felt like this brat who wanted to make the whole house upside down. And now I actually feel like this sober girl. So I think with age, I'm also gracing from Veera to Yamini to Jeevika.
And his questions are, what is more fun to play for you? Like a very simple, down-to-earth, positive character or a spicy, masaledar, grey character?
For me, I think Jeevika is very simple to play because it is, she is just so natural. I mean, there's nothing put up about her. She's very natural. But if you ask me what is more fun to play, I think Veera was the most fun to play because making everybody's life miserable is also fun.
Okay. And his next question is, if you would have been offered Ek Hazaron Mein Meri Behna and Kahe Na Kahe at the same time, which you would have chosen and why?
I think Ek Hazaron Mein Meri Behna because I love Jeevika, I love Viren, I love Virat, I love Manvi. I think this is more close to me than any other show has ever been.
And next up is Zara 01 ID. And her questions are, what has been the toughest scene you have to enact in Ek Hazaron Mein so far?
The toughest scene was, the toughest scene to do was the harness scene because I was first time going to be flying from the ground floor to the second floor, and the harness left me loose and I fell on Karan's knee. My head banged on his knee and I'm like, oh my god. But I wasn't majorly injured, I was injured. I wasn't majorly injured, but the whole thing was that that fright was only of that scene. Rest all the scene was a take off.
And what do you feel is the USP of the show?
I think the USP of the show is the relationship between the two sisters. There's nothing that can beat that. No Virika, no Virman, nothing can beat the relationship of the sisters.
Okay, and on a scale of 1 to 10, how do you rate yourself as an actor?
I'm not an actor, yeah. I just give reactions to people who talk to me. I am not an actor.
At least 3, 4, 5, 6.
I won't be that cruel on myself. No, I give myself a 6.
And next up is Manasa. What is your beauty?
Beauty secret? MAC makeup.
But you are naturally very good.
I think my beauty secret would be smile. When you smile, you're beautiful, no matter how you are.
And who is your role model?
Role model, this will be a little cliche, but I really think Aishwarya Rai looks beautiful. So I always, as a child, I used to always tell my mom, see, we have the same eyes, so I'll grow up one day looking like her. So I think I've not reached there, but I think she's beautiful.
So next is Tara Khanna. First of all, I have to say you're awesome. Your smile just brightens the screen, and off screen you're cute and plucky attitude is right. And also the way you interact with your fans clearly shows your humbleness. And I can keep going on and on and on. Secondly, wishing you a Merry Christmas in advance. God bless you and love you. And her question is your one memorable Xmas experience.
My one memorable experience was I think the first time that my dad became Santa. He wore like this big stomach and he did all of that. I was I think 6 or 7 or 8. I'm not sure. He wore the whole Santa outfit and he came in front of me and I just cried. I said, "Daddy, what happened to you?" I knew it was him inside Santa. I'm like, "Daddy, what happened to you?" And I just cried and then he's like, "No, I'm not Daddy, I'm Santa." I'm like, "No, Daddy, what happened to you?" So that was funny and the most memorable because after that I knew everyone. I'm like, "Huh, you're Santa, huh, you're Santa." My dad used to wink at me before going, "I'm Santa, now don't tell other kids." I'm like, okay.
Okay. Next up is Indian Girl 23. Hey Krishnan, this is Deepika. You are such a cutie pie, loving you so much as Jivika. You are doing a fabulous job and on screen your chemistry with Viren is awesome. Question is, what's your favorite holiday destination?
In India, my favorite holiday destination is Goa, hands down. I have already been there thrice this year and I'm going again for the 4th time. So, Goa will be in India and abroad, I guess. Canada, because my brother's there.
Okay, next is Sugar and Spice. Hi Krishnan, this is Sugar and Spice. Loved all your interviews with Dolly, especially the one with Vishal Gandhi. Thanks a lot for being so sweet on I2PF. Please visit us soon and chat with us.
Yes, I did come 2 days ago. I will keep coming in between. And Vishal Gandhi is my brother I never knew him all these years. Just Ahad made me meet him and Ahad has given me, if nothing, just my brother and I'm very happy with that.
A question, please. Okay, she wants to know something. Any scoop or hint about the future tracks and twist and turns in the show? Promise we won't share it with anyone.
Oh, just a few millions!
We'll see this interview.
No. The future track will be what you will see. Because I cannot really reveal the future track, but it's a lot of romance, a lot of fun, and a lot of Mani Jivika moments again.
And next is Swati. Your biggest fear as an actor?
My biggest fear as an actor is that after every show, I have a fear that now what? Now where? So I'm sure as an actor, an actor's job is very insecure. You have no stability that, you know 10 years down the line that, you'll still be doing this. No, it will just be 2 years, 1 year. You never know how long the show will go on. So that is my biggest fear, that I don't want to be sitting at home because I love acting.
And next question, is it nice to have a co-star like that?
Oh, it's beautiful. It's the best thing that could ever happen to me. I mean, Karan is a gem of a guy. He's a sweetheart. He makes my day. I mean, I look at him and we have this connection that we can actually make so much fun of each other. A third person watching will think we're enemies, but no, we're best friends. That's what we do to each other. We insult each other. We say weird things to each other, but that's the love that we show for each other. So he's my buddy. He's the best friend I have on set.
And next up is Anjali Rajan. First of all, a big hug to you. We love your smile, so always keep smiling. Lots of love to you. We are just enjoying the show to the core. How is it for you?
For me, 1 साल में मेरी गाना has been the best show till date. So it is the best show till date.
Okay, next is someone from Canada. जो कानूनी के भी जानते हैं Canada की. You are an amazing actress, and I never really had watched any of your shows before. And after listening to your interviews and watching your show, your interviews in ITV especially, my respect and love for you have been. And the question is, just wanted you to know how different is Jivika from Crystal in real life.
First of all, Canada, I love that place, and my brother's there, so I love it even more. And for me, Jivika is not very different from Crystal. She's also a very sweet, simple girl, and I am also a very sweet, simple girl. I'm not saying this about myself, but I am. And the only difference is Crystal can get out of the house in her shorts and in messy hair and anyhow, and Jivika is very sugar proper. She is a woman of substance, and I am a small little girl who wants to have a substance. So I think Jivika and Crystal as a person from inside are similar, from outside are very different.
Okay. So now all you fans together want to know about your favorite scene so far in the saga.
My favorite scene so far was there was this montage that me and Manvi shot all over Rishikesh. We went boating, we had pani puri, we went crazy that day. They told us, forget your character, just be yourself. I've literally sat in a speedboat and screamed like ah! The one day that BG gave us a freedom, that day was the best day. I think that was the last day of me being a bachelor. So I had my bachelor's party and I really had fun.
Okay. And finally, ma'am, can you wish all your fans on ITVF for Christmas and New Year?
Everybody on ITVF, I wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a lasting and awesome New Year. Mine's going to be in Goa. I don't know where yours is going to be. But I want all of you all to have a great year ahead and love you.
Bye bye bye.